organized by Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority, Ranchi. It's really a great occasion where we have Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Guest, Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, cum Patron in Chief, as the Chief Guest. We have Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman, Jhalsa, and Honorable Mr. Justice Aparesh Kumar Singh, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand and Chairman, HCLSC, as the guests of honor, and Honorable Judges of the High Court of Jharkhand. So now we are starting this program with the Nalsa song.
एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए, उल्लास न्याय का सबके लिए, विश्वास न्याय का सबके लिए। अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, इंसाफ के इस आशिया पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
ये ना सोचो दर्द हमारा कहीं सुना न जाएगा, अब न्यायालय खुद चलकर चौपालों तक आएगा।
लाचारों को न्याय मिलेगा, दुखियारों को न्याय मिलेगा, कमजोरों को न्याय मिलेगा, मजलूमों को न्याय मिलेगा। अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, उम्मीदों के इस गुलसितां पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
गरीब और कमजोरों को मुफ्त एवं सक्षम कानूनी सहायता के लिए प्रतिबद्ध विधिक सेवा प्राधिकरण नालसा, न्याय सबके लिए।
हमारा तो ये था हमारा नालसा सॉन्ग। सोचने से कहां मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलना भी जरूरी है मंजिल को पाने के लिए। जी हां, इसी निश्चय के साथ झालसा लगातार अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करता आ रहा है। Jhalsa is always ready to help and empower the society. Today, across the state of Jharkhand, legal services cum empowerment camps are being organized, under which beneficiaries are being provided with their required assets since this morning. Simultaneously, the pamphlets in Braille on assistive device to differently abled persons, concession given by the central and state government for the differently abled persons, various benefits and entitlement available to the visually impaired persons, the rights of persons with disabilities under different laws will be released. Also, the legal awareness pamphlets in English, Ho, Nagpuri and Mundari languages on Know About Assistance to Disabled Persons for Purchase, Fitting in of Aids and Appliances scheme. Know the rights of persons with disabilities under different laws and know about the various benefits available to the visually impaired persons will be released. So when we all are present here for welcome address, may I invite Member Secretary Jhalsa Muhammad Shakir sir.
My Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Justice Jharkhand High Court cum Patronage Chief Jhalsa, My Lord Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman Jhalsa, My Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Chairman High Court Legal Services Committee, Honorable Judges High Court of Jharkhand, the Chief Secretary Government of Jharkhand, Advocate General, Registrar General, Member Secretary and Director NALSA, Principal Secretary Law, Director Judicial Academy, Chairman District Legal Services Authorities, Deputy Commissioners, Judicial Officers, Administrative Officers, Secretaries District Legal Services Authorities, Panel Advocate of Jhalsa, members of Legal Literacy Club and Legal Cadets, and all others who are virtually attending the program through Jhargo TV or YouTube. A very good evening, warm welcome and Johar. Today is Red Letter Day in the history of legal services. Legal Services cum Empowerment Camp is being organized across the state of Jharkhand at Panchayat, Block, Subdivision and District level, and the benefits of different government schemes are being given to the marginalized persons. 10 schemes of NALSA, 3 schemes and 7 projects of Jhalsa mandate us to help the people in distress. We have been working day in and day out for last 2 months to help as many people as we can, and we have been able to help and ameliorate the sufferings of lakhs of people today. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome our Honorable Chief Justice, cum Patron-in-Chief Jhalsa. His Lordship has immensely influenced the legal services ecosystem of the state. Soon after joining as Chief Justice, His Lordship organized first Kol Lok Adalat on 26 November 2019. The disposal in the Kol Lok Adalat was certified by the India Book of Records as the new national record 2019, and in the year 2020 also the India Book of Record has certified that we have broken our previous record. The disposal in the Kol Lok Adalat was also certified by the World Record India as the new world record in 2019, and in the year 2020 the World Records India has certified that we have broken our previous record. His Lordship has strengthened the legal services ecosystem in Jharkhand by personally attending the Forest Dwellers Empowerment Camp in Mahua Tand, Latehar, and Tribal Empowerment Camp in Simdega. His Lordship has taken number of initiatives to ameliorate the sufferings of people during the pandemic period. My Lord has launched the Jhalsa projects Manavta, Kartavya, Shremev Vante for the people. His Lordship has issued number of directions for improvement of the condition of RIMS Ranchi. Under the leadership and guidance of His Lordship, we have proactively assisted a number of persons in acute need of legal services. I once again welcome our Honorable Chief Justice and Patron-in-Chief Jhalsa. I extend my hearty welcome to my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman Jhalsa. My Lord's vast experience in different capacities, including that of Member Secretary and Chairman High Court Legal Services Committee, has immensely helped Jharkhand in general and Jhalsa in particular. His Lordship's monitoring and mentoring have brought 3 awards to Jhalsa in the year 2019 in NALSA's annual felicitation program on 9th November 2019. His Lordship's vision has transformed the legal services outlook and response. His Lordship's tireless energy make it possible for Jhalsa to win one laurel after another. I once again welcome my Lords Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman Jhalsa. I also extend warm welcome to my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Chairman High Court Legal Services Committee. His Lordship has vast knowledge in the field of legal services. His Lordship has strengthened Jhalsa in all the capacities, including the roaring practitioner, GB member Jhalsa, Judge High Court of Jharkhand, and Chairman High Court Legal Services Committee. His Lordship has transformed the system of legal aid through High Court Legal Services Committee and through innovative and intuitive steps. In fact, my Lord has revolutionized the entire concept of legal services. I once again welcome my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, Judge High Court of Jharkhand and Chairman High Court Legal Services Committee. I am very happy to welcome my Lords, the Honorable Judges of High Court of Jharkhand. Their Lordship's blessing, support and involvement have helped us in all our endeavors, including this one. I welcome their Lordship once again. I welcome Chief Secretary Government of Jharkhand, Principal Secretary Law and other secretaries of Government of Jharkhand for their wholehearted cooperation in the success of this empowerment camp. I welcome Advocate General and his team of government law officers. I welcome Member Secretary and Director NALSA. I welcome Registrar General High Court of Jharkhand and Director Judicial Academy Jharkhand. I welcome the chairpersons of District Legal Services Authority, Deputy Commissioners of Jharkhand, Judicial Officers, Administrative Officers of Jharkhand, panel lawyers, members of legal literacy clubs, and legal cadets. I welcome the members of print and electronic media. I also welcome all those who are virtually attending this program live on Jhargo TV and YouTube. I once again welcome all. I wish and pray for peace, health, happiness, and well-being for all. Thank you.
The cooperation of the executive at the district level and also at the state level is really worth applauding. I salute all the groundwork workers in this, and a word of appreciation for the principal district judges as well as the secretaries who are chairperson District Legal Services Authority for have tirelessly worked in making this successful. I would take this opportunity to emphasize that the legal services movement across this country and the state in our particular, with several initiatives taken by Jhalsa, has been so far working on creation and awareness towards the rights of the people. People are being empowered by making them conscious of their rights. Legal literacy camps, legal awareness camps, these legal empowerment camps, all are in pursuit of that to ensure that the benefits are extended to the people. But I may also take this opportunity to point out that under the Legal Services Authorities Act, and as is the object and aim of the Act, the legal services authorities also have a big role to see and ensure people also become conscious and aware of their duties. Just to highlight that, I will refer to Section 4, which deals with the functions of the central authority, and Section 4H says to do all things necessary for the purpose of ensuring commitment to the fundamental duties of citizens under Part 4A of the Constitution. Similarly, Clause L speaks about taking appropriate measures for spreading legal literacy and legal awareness among the people, and in particular to educate weaker sections of the society about the rights, benefits, and privileges guaranteed by social welfare legislations and other enactments, as well as administrative programs and measures. The state authority has to act in coordination with other agencies under Section 8 as per the directions of the central authority in furthering that objective. As we realize day by day, our society is more and more becoming right conscious, but rights and duties are inseparable. They cannot exist alone. They have to coexist. And the trend which we are witnessing in our society has to be taken note of, that people despite being aware of their rights, are not perhaps so much aware and conscious of the duties that they are required to perform. One person's right is other person's duty. One person's duty is other person's right. So, I would take this opportunity to suggest that our role under the legal services authorities should also extend towards creating consciousness amongst the citizenry, and especially our younger generation, towards their activities. In this regard, I feel that the legal literacy clubs created in the schools have a great role to play. The legal cadet corps, which have been created in schools, also have a great role to play. And in order to spread this consciousness, we need to create more and more legal literacy clubs in other schools which are still left out in the state, and also legal cadet corps. These legal literacy clubs and legal cadet corps need to be linked with our programs so that they have the benefit of having the awareness of all such schemes, as well as the different enactments and the Part 4A of the Constitution, where our fundamental duties are enshrined. These young buds in our schools, they will help not only their families, their neighborhoods, but the society in the days to come and the ages to come to become more aware and conscious of their duties. So, I am really thankful for giving me an opportunity to address this August gathering on this auspicious day. And I really, once again, congratulate all those workers at every level who have ensured that this program becomes a huge success. On this note, I close my address and thank all, one and all. Thank you, everyone.
For your address, sir. Now, it's my pleasure to invite Honorable Mr. Justice H.C. Mishra, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand, and Executive Chairman, Jhalsa.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
Honorable Dr. Justice Ravi Ranjan, the Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, Patroning Chief Jhalsa, Brother Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, Chairman, High Court Legal Services Committee, and a judge of this High Court, sister and brother judges of the Jharkhand High Court, Learned Advocate General and his team of government advocates, learned advocates, including the senior advocates of Jharkhand High Court, Registrar General and members of Registry of Jharkhand High Court, Director Judicial Academy and faculty members, Member Secretary and Director of NALSA, Principal District Judges, including officers on special posts, Deputy Commissioners of Jharkhand, Judicial Officers of the state, panel advocates and paralegal volunteers, members of legal literacy clubs of Jhalsa, cadets of the legal cadet corps, beneficiaries of Legal Empowerment Camp, and all the ladies and gentlemen watching this live function from Jharkhand TV and YouTube link. A very good evening and warm welcome and johar to all of you. Friends, we have assembled here on the occasion of organizing the Legal Services Empowerment Program, which is held across the state for the first time. Earlier, such programs were held on local basis, where large number of people used to gather in such programs for getting the benefits under the various schemes of the government. Khalsa used to organize such programs on regular basis at different places in the state. In the pre-pandemic days, we had scheduled to hold one such program at Pakur in the month of March 2020. However, due to fall of the pandemic, with which this state was also badly affected, we were forced to drop the idea, as it was not possible and safe to let the people gather at one place at a time. Gradually, we started to hold our other programs such as Lok Adalats through virtual mode, and they proved to be great success. We held Service Lok Adalat on 26/11/2020, in which 1,398.20 crores of rupees were distributed amongst more than 35,000 people. This gave us an idea to hold the legal awareness cum empowerment camps also through virtual mode, and we decided to organize the postponed program for Pakur through virtual mode. While we were chalking out our plans for the same, with the minimum contact with the people and without exposing them to the threat of pandemic, our team of Khalsa conceived an idea that we can organize such program for the entire state at the time. This idea was very laudable and I liked it. The pandemic COVID-19, though has badly affected the entire humanity across the world and has claimed more than 23 lakhs human lives across the world, but at the same time has also given us new and innovative ideas, which has kept our entire nation on a vibrant mode. Khalsa also has all along been working overtime, finding novel ways to help the people. The pandemic has not been able to deter us from reaching out to the poor and the needy people. We worked on the idea of holding the legal services cum empowerment program across the state at the same time. And friends, this is how we are before you once again. Friends, during the pandemic also, Khalsa has come out to help of the suffering humanity. We have provided the services of PLVs to the government of Jharkhand since April 2020 as Corona Warriors. I personally wrote a letter to the Chief Secretary, Government of Jharkhand, offering services of 2,746 paralegal volunteers to assist the district administration in its efforts to contain the pandemic. They had been given liberty to take paramedical services from them also, after providing them the technical know-how and how to use the safety kits. We have coordinated with all other 35 state legal services authorities across India in helping the people, including the migrant laborers, with food, medicines, shelter, and in their effort to return to their hometown. All other SLAs have also worked day in and day out. We launched campaign to feed people on the verge of starvation from out of the cost fund and delegated the discretion to use the cost fund for providing food and medicine. We have launched the campaign to arrange shelter to the homeless persons in Rain Baseras. Friends, earlier the duties of legal services authorities were confined only to disperse the amount of court fees and provide panel lawyers to the categories of persons entitled for it. and at times organizing Lok Adalats and legal aid awareness camps and clinics. But as of today, we have to ensure the successful implementation of 10 different schemes of NALSA. Besides, we have also our own 3 schemes and 8 projects, apart from the function of organizing Lok Adalats, PLAs, ensuring compensation to the victims under sections 357 and 357A of the CRPC, implementation of ADR methods, legal assistance clinics, legal literacy clubs, etc. And in this process, we have to take along us the services of various experts, lawyers, counselors, mediators, NGOs, and PLVs. For this program also, our team, including the PLVs, are working day in and day out for more than a month. They have reached out to the people in need, and with the help of the government authorities, they have been able to provide them the benefits in different schemes of the government. Today in the noon, we have also distributed 25 laptops to differently abled persons who could not see but were very able differently. The laptops which have been provided today, perhaps it is first of its kind in the state of, at least in the state of Jharkhand and Bihar, and have personally seen the laptop, which on touching any key used to pronounce it in voice. It can also read the text which have been typed, and thus it is very helpful and can be used by the people who cannot see or the blind people. The smiles at the faces of those people to whom these laptops have been given today, I think this itself has made this program a great success. Thereafter I have personally talked to the commissioner of the department to see that such laptops are distributed to other blind peoples in the state who are otherwise very able people. In tune of our motto, always with the help in people in distress. This time we have decided to hold legal empowerment camp across the state of Jharkhand on a single day. I had the video conference with all the PDJs and the deputy commissioners of the state, and they all wholeheartedly supported our idea and endeavor. I must express my sincere gratitude to each of them. I am happy to inform you about the figures of today's legal empowerment camp, which is still not final. The figures are still pouring in. It is still not final. The total numbers of persons who have been benefited today in today's program is more than 12 lakhs. And the amount distributed amongst the beneficiaries is more than rupees 1,200 crores. This shows the immense capacity of the teamwork. I take this opportunity to thank all the PDJs, the deputy commissioners, the secretaries of the DLSAs, as also all who have been involved in this program to the level up to of PLVs and even below to have achieved this target. I also thank the Chief Secretary of the state and all the officers in the state government who have extended all help to us in making this program a great success. I express my sincere gratitude to Brother Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, who had been with me today noon in distributing the laptops and the other benefits to the beneficiaries personally at Jhalsa today, some of whom were called at Jhalsa. I also thank all my brother and sister judges who are the motivational force behind holding such programs. Friends, I would like to congratulate and thank Dr. Justice Ravi Ranjan, the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court and Patron-in-Chief of Jhalsa, for extending all support for organizing this program and also being the motivational force behind organizing the program and giving ideas as to how to make this program a great success. I would once again like to give the motto of Jhalsa, which is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinna, Sarve Santu Niramaya, as similar to this. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and Johar.
Thank you very much, sir, for your introductory address, sir. आज जैसा कि हमने शुरू में ही बताया कि झारखंड राज्य के हर जिले में लीगल सर्विसेज कम एम्पावरमेंट कैंप लगाए गए। झालसा द्वारा पिछले 1.5-2 महीने से इस दिशा में लगातार कार्य किए जाते रहे हैं। बीच बीच में लाभुकों को उनका हक प्रदान किया जाता रहा है। आज की बात करें तो कुछ जिलों जैसे रांची, खूंटी, लोहरदगा, रामगढ़, हजारीबाग, बोकारो और जमशेदपुर के लाभुकों को झालसा के द्वारा इसे कार्यालय में उनका हक प्रदान किया गया। अन्य सभी के लिए आज पंचायत, ब्लॉक और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर भी इस कार्य के लिए कैंप लगाए गए। So now we are presenting an audio visual based on the distribution of entitlements and benefits amongst the beneficiaries, including the visually impaired persons.
कुछ इसकी मिट्टी में कुछ लगता है कि विशेष है, क्योंकि ये कुछ ऐसा नया और इतना बड़े स्तर पे करने के लिए यहाँ लगता है प्रेरणा मिलती है। ये इस भूमि का कुछ विशेष है। मैं याद कर रहा था जो झालसा के चेयरमैन रहे हैं, उनमें तो लगता है कि कुछ विशेष जोश आ जाता है झालसा चेयरमैन बनने के बाद, क्योंकि इस तरह का माइलस्टोन्स यहाँ होता रहता है। मैं दंग रह जाता हूँ जब ये कोरोना के काल में जब सब कुछ ठप पड़ा हुआ था, उस पीरियड में झालसा ने जो काम किया है लीगल सर्विसेज का।
आज का कार्यक्रम अगर वो देख पाते तो वो उन्हें पता चलता कि उनकी अवधारणा कितनी गलत थी और लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटीज क्या क्या कर सकता है। और लीगल एम्पावरमेंट कैंप में आप देश की वह जनता जो गरीब तबके की है और उसे कानूनी रूप से जो भी मिल सकता है सरकार की विभिन्न योजनाओं के तहत, उसे दिलाना हमारा कर्तव्य बना और हम उस कर्तव्य पथ पर अग्रसर होते गए।
ये था हमारा एक रिपोर्ट जो आधारित था आज दिन भर की गतिविधियों पर आधारित। और अब हमारे सामने वो वक्त, वो बेशकीमती लम्हा जब कई महत्वपूर्ण विषयों से संबंधित ब्रेल लिपि और साथ ही साथ झारखंड के स्थानीय भाषाओं में कई पैम्फलेट्स रिलीज किए जाएंगे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, may I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, cum Patron-in-Chief, Jhalsa, to release the pamphlets in Braille on assistive device to differently abled persons. Sir.
Take the pamphlets in Braille.
Thank you, sir. Again, I request Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan to release the pamphlet in Braille on concession given by the central and state government for the differently abled persons. Sir.
Let it be released.
Request Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, cum Patron-in-Chief, Jhalsa, sir, to release of the pamphlet based on legal awareness in English, Ho, Nagpuri and Mundari languages on first, know about assistance to disabled persons for purchase and fitting of aids and appliances scheme.
Take the legal awareness pamphlets in English, Ho, Nagpuri and Mundari languages be released.
Thank you, sir. Once again, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan to release the pamphlet regarding know the rights of persons with disabilities under different laws.
Let it be released.
Thank you, my lord. Now, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman, Jhalsa, to release the pamphlet in Braille on various benefits and entitlement available to the visually impaired persons. Thank you, sir. Again, I request Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra to release the pamphlet in Braille on the rights of persons with disabilities under different laws. Thank you, sir. Again, once more, I request Honorable Mr. Justice S.C. Mishra to release the legal awareness pamphlets in English, Ho, Nagpuri and Mundari languages on know about the various benefits available to the visually impaired persons. Thank you, my lord. And now it's my great honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, cum Patron-in-Chief Jhalsa, for your keynote address, sir.
Am I audible? Am I audible to all?
Yes, my lord.
Brother Justice S.C. Mishra, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand and Executive Chairman Jhalsa. Brother Justice Apresh Kumar Singh, Judge, High Court of Jharkhand and Chairman, High Court Legal Services Committee. My esteemed sister and brothers on the bench, the Registrar General and members of Registry of the High Court of Jharkhand, Director, Judicial Academy, the Member Secretary and Director, NALSA, Member Secretary Jhalsa and his team, all the secretaries and officers of the state associated with this program, and those who have joined today, the judicial officers and the members of legal fraternity, the chairman, district legal services authorities of the state, and all the paralegal volunteers, other dignitaries, members of print and digital media, and all those who have joined today. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to all of you. All of us know that in a democratic society, law is the manifestation of the will of people. Constitution of India guarantees access to legal remedies, but each and every grievance cannot be brought or concluded in a court of law. That is why the legal services movement structured through the different legal services authorities constituted under Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 is reaching out to every nook and corner of the country to provide an alternative platform for redressal of such grievances without approaching the court. We are aware that the 1987 Act was enacted to implement the constitutional mandate prescribed under Article 39, capital A of the Constitution, which speaks about ensuring equal justice and free legal aid. Though this article, the Constitution demands to ensure that the opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen for the reasons of economic and other disabilities. Previously, people used to come to the court for redressal of their grievances, and now, through legal services authorities, we are reaching to the people. Realizing well, the time has come to undertake empowerment along with awareness. Jhalsa has been repeatedly holding district and regional level empowerment camps for the last few years, during which the targeted beneficiaries were empowered by extending them the actual benefits under different schemes and projects floated by the government. The Legal Services Authority, working on the legal empowerment module prepared by NALSA, has been doing a yeoman service to extend the fruits of the beneficial schemes to the deserving. It is rightly said that we cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust our sails. When the tornado of pandemic is blowing across the globe and the normals of life have been thrown out of order, there arose a need to adopt the new normals. The quality of adaptability is a mark of living and thriving civilization, and history bears testimony to the fact that those who failed to change and adapt became extinct during the course of evolution of life on the planet Earth. Charles Darwin said that it is not the strongest of the species that survive or the most intelligent, but those that are most responsive to the changes. Friends, the Jharkhand judiciary has taken up the calamity of COVID-19 pandemic as an occasion to strengthen itself on certain fronts, which became the need of hour. All of us jointly work together to ensure that the access to justice to the litigant is not obstructed or denied even for a single day, either in the High Court or in different district courts. Digitalization of the judicial court system has been taken up in a big way, and the facilities like e-filing, e-payment, mobile app for virtual courts, and online certified copy facilities with necessary statutory and regulatory support has been launched, and the same has been a huge success. Similarly, virtual courts have become an order of the day, both at the High Court as well as the civil court levels. Digitalization of the judicial court system is not simply an exercise in adopting and upgrading the judicial process with the help of technological advancement. Rather, it is a giant leap in the advancement of constitutional mandate for access to justice to one and all. The provision of e-filing would bring all the court system well within the reach of laptop and mobile phones of any person in need to approach the court for redressal of his grievance. The availability of certified copies of the order through e-mode as well as payment of court fee through e-payment would not only facilitate easy access to court services to the litigants, but would also help make the system much more transparent and accountable as the number of internet connections in India has already surpassed 100 crores. There is no doubt that digital facilities would be of great help to everybody. It is heartening to share the fact that despite lockdown and other constraints during more than 9 months of calendar year of 2020, the number of anticipatory and regular bail applications filed in the High Court far exceeded those filed in 2019. I congratulate all my brother and sister judges, members of registry, other ministerial staffs for having worked tirelessly during these testing times and ensured in strengthening of people's faith in one of the most important foundations of democracy. I also congratulate the principal district judges, judicial officers, ministerial staffs of district and subordinate courts for having worked continuously against all odds. In my capacity as the head of Jharkhand Judiciary, I take this occasion to extend my thanks to the legal fraternity of the state, without whose help the above could not have been achieved. I am here, friends, I am tempted to quote few lines from Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. है कौन विघ्न ऐसा जग में टिक सके आदमी के मग में, खम ठोक ठेलता है जब नर पर्वत के जाते पांव उखड़, मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. Friends, Khalsa has been performing in an excellently even during the COVID pandemic, despite various constraints. It has served the state and its people in befitting manner, breaking in its own previous records and setting a new normal for it itself. In a little more than a year since I joined as Chief Justice of the High Court of Jharkhand, in my capacity as Patron-in-Chief of Jhalsa, I have preferred to personally attend the legal empowerment camps held in remote locations like Mahua Tar in Latehar district and at Simdega before COVID-19 pandemic induced a protocol. COVID-19 pandemic-induced protocol put a brake on physical mobility. However, the indomitable human spirit is manifested in the form of launching of a series of projects by Jhalsa for the displaced laborers who were compelled to move away from the place of work. Having lost their livelihood, this huge mass of humanity was extended succor in the form of food, clothes, medicine, habitat, etc. And the arrangements of their rehabilitation under different government schemes was also facilitated by the instrumentalities of legal services authorities at the lowest level. Uninhibited by the constraints arising out of pandemic protocols, Jhalsa continued to launch plethora of schemes and projects to cater the need of cross-section of society in the need of the same. Project Tripti for reducing hunger and preventing starvation deaths. Project Atmanirbharta for all-around upliftment of rural, tribal, forest-dwelling women. Project Nirogi Bhava for extending the benefits of health schemes to women, children, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and elderly persons. And Project Chetana for eradicating the menace of substance abuse, wine, haria, were all launched and effectively implemented during these challenging times. Friends, with a sense of satisfaction, I take this occasion to compliment Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority for holding this legal services come empowerment camp across the state of Jharkhand, extending its benevolent hands to the differently able persons by getting all the relevant pamphlets, detailed government programs, and the schemes for the differently able persons in Braille, so that they could make themselves aware about it. Publication and distribution of such awareness literature in Braille would go a long way in helping visually challenged persons, as they would be able to know their rights under the different laws and claim their entitlements provided by the government and under different schemes. Only thereafter they would be able to demand and get the same, which would help in various ways. They would also be able to know about various assistive devices, which definitely will make their life easier and merrier. By releasing legal awareness literature in the form of pamphlets in local tribal languages like Ho, Nagpuri, and Mundari, Jhalsa has been so true to the mandate assigned to it under Legal Services Authority Act. It will go a long way to reach to the most deserving tribal folks who generally read and write in their local languages only. It will definitely extend access to justice to the remote villagers, which in turn will help to ameliorate the sufferings of the poor, downtrodden, and needy of this state. A society is known by how it treats its women, children, and differently able persons and weaker sections of the society. The Legal Services Authority, by helping the deprived section of society, is definitely improving the standard of the society. I am informed that various assistive devices, including the laptops, are being the untiring efforts of all the office bearers of Jharsa, different district legal services authorities, as well as the paralegal volunteers, has borne fruits which has gone a long way to help the needy and deserving throughout the state. Jhalsa and the state officials and the DLSAs and paralegal volunteers are to be congratulated for this wonderful joint work, and I wish good luck to all the beneficiaries. Friends, I conclude with this. Before concluding, I must point out that so far the present empowerment camp is concerned, I have been informed that 40,04,129 beneficiaries have been catered, and benefits equivalent to rupees 1,288 crores 52 lakhs 19,791 have been released under various government schemes and have been distributed. Friends, I conclude with this prayer to the Almighty, derived from our ancient text. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kasyat Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. सभी सुखी हों, सभी रोग मुक्त हों, सभी का जीवन मंगलमय बने और कोई भी दुख का भागी न बने. हे भगवान, हमें ऐसा वर दो. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, cum Patron in Chief, Jhalsa. Now we are at the end of this program, कार्यक्रम के अंतिम पड़ाव पर हम पहुंच चुके हैं और अब धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के लिए फॉर द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स मे आई रिक्वेस्ट सेक्रेटरी SCLSC श्री संतोष कुमार।
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, Comptroller in Chief Jhalsa, My Lord, the Honorable Executive Chairman Jhalsa, My Lord, the Honorable Chairman, High Court Legal Services Committee, their Lordships of the Honorable High Court of Jharkhand, all other dignitaries, beneficiaries, members of Legal Literacy Club and legal cadets of Jhalsa. सर्वप्रथम मैं सर्वशक्तिमान परमेश्वर को हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। उनकी इच्छा और आशीष से ही आज का यह लीगल एम्पावरमेंट कैंप रूपी महायज्ञ सफल हुआ है। तत्पश्चात मैं अपने परम यशस्वी मुख्य न्यायाधीश सह मुख्य संरक्षक महोदय को धन्यवाद समर्पित करता हूं। झारखंड राज्य विधिक सेवा प्राधिकार के कार्यकलाप का अभी स्वर्ण काल चल रहा है और यह माननीय मुख्य संरक्षक महोदय झालसा के बताए मार्ग पर चलने से ही संभव हुआ है। लॉर्डशिप झारखंड राज्य विधिक सेवा प्राधिकार के लिए अद्भुत अकल्पनीय सौभाग्य लेकर आए हैं। दो आयोजनों को, प्रथम कोल लोक अदालत और सेवा लोक अदालत के परिणामों को राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कीर्तिमान के रूप में मान्यता प्रदान की गई है। माननीय मुख्य संरक्षक महोदय ने हमें कोरोना काल में आगे बढ़कर नेतृत्व प्रदान किया है तथा 8 प्रोजेक्ट के रूप में क्या हमें करना है और कैसे करना है यह मार्ग बताया है, हमारा उत्साह बढ़ाया है। देवतुल्य व्यक्तित्व वाले माननीय मुख्य अभिभावक के सार गर्भित वचन आज हम सबने सुना है। इससे संपूर्ण विधिक सेवा जगत में अपूर्व ऊर्जा का संचार हुआ है। इन वचनों ने हमें क्या करना है यह कार्य बताया है। माय लॉर्ड, इसके लिए मैं आपको तहे दिल से बारंबार धन्यवाद देता हूं। इन वचनों ने हमें उन कार्यों को चलने के लिए रास्ता भी सुझाया है। लॉर्डशिप, इसके लिए मैं आपको बारंबार कोटि कोटि बार धन्यवाद देता हूं। मैं अपने माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति झारखंड उच्च न्यायालय से सर्वोच्च संरक्षक झालसा को धन्यवाद ज्ञापित बारंबार करने के लिए प्रेरित हो रहा हूं। लॉर्डशिप ने आज के कार्यक्रम को अपना आशीष दिया है। आज के कार्यक्रम में लॉर्डशिप की गरिमामय उपस्थिति रही है और हम सबको लॉर्डशिप के गरिमामय संबोधन को सुनने का सौभाग्य मिला। थैंक यू वेरी मच माय लॉर्ड। थैंक्स योर लॉर्डशिप। मैं माननीय कार्यपालक अध्यक्ष महोदय का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। विधिक सशक्तिकरण शिविर जो आज हुआ है, इसकी संकल्पना को लॉर्डशिप ने नई ऊंचाई प्रदान की है। मैं लॉर्डशिप का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आज के इस विधिक सेवा और सशक्तिकरण शिविर का आभासी और फिजिकल रूप में किया जाए, इसकी संकल्पना के लिए मैं लॉर्डशिप का धन्यवाद करता हूं। इस संकल्पना के एक्चुअलाइजेशन के लिए मैं लॉर्डशिप का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि झालसा को यह अवसर देने के लिए कि ऐसा अद्भुत कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हो, झालसा करे। माननीय कार्यपालक अध्यक्ष महोदय झालसा के सदस्य सचिव भी रहे हैं। इस परिसर का कोना कोना हमें उनके अनुभवों से समृद्ध करता है। लॉर्डशिप का अगाध अनुभव हमारे लिए कोहिनूर से भी मूल्यवान साबित हुआ है। चीजों को कैसे सोचना है, उसको कैसे क्रियान्वित करना है, इसका अद्भुत विजन लॉर्डशिप से हमें मिला है। अक्षय ऊर्जा के मालिक माननीय कार्यपालक अध्यक्ष महोदय इस कार्यक्रम के लिए पिछले 2 महीने में अपने व्यस्त और मूल्यवान समय में से कई दफे झालसा के लिए समय निकाला, तभी यह कार्यक्रम आज आशातीत रूप से सफल साबित हुआ है। लॉर्डशिप, मैं आपका बारंबार धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय झारखंड उच्च न्यायालय विधिक सेवा समिति को हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। लॉर्डशिप झारखंड के धरती पुत्र हैं और यहाँ के मेधावी, मेहनती और सरल हृदय लोगों के विधिक सेवा जरूरतों से बखूबी वाकिफ हैं। तभी लॉर्डशिप ने यह विजन दिया कि पारिवारिक मामलों को जो कोर्ट कचहरी में उनके विवादों के निपटारे के लिए झालसा का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इसके मीडिएटर, मीडिएशन सेंटर का इस्तेमाल किया जाए। इस इनोवेटिव प्रयोग को आज 4 साल हो गए हैं और यह आशातीत रूप से सफल रहा है। लॉर्डशिप ने मोबाइल ऐप और पोर्टल, जिसको कि स्मार्टफोन से यूज किया जाए, प्रज्ञा केंद्र के माध्यम से भी यूज किया जाए, इसका न केवल कंसेप्ट लिया लॉर्डशिप, इसको क्रियान्वित भी किया और आज यह गांव-गांव, घर-घर तक विधिक सेवा को पहुंचाने का सफल माध्यम बन रहा है। लॉर्डशिप ने आज अपने ओजस्वी संबोधन में फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को झालसा के विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों में जोर देने का मार्ग दर्शाया है। पर्यावरण संरक्षण का क्षेत्र, वनवासियों के वनाधिकार संरक्षण का क्षेत्र आदि में भी काम करने के लिए लॉर्डशिप ने हमें मार्ग दिया है। लॉर्डशिप, आपको मैं बारंबार धन्यवाद करता हूं। थैंक यू माय लॉर्ड। मैं माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण झारखंड उच्च न्यायालय का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। झारखंड राज्य विधिक सेवा प्राधिकार को आज के इस महायज्ञ में जो आशातीत सफलता मिली है, लाखों लोगों को जो उनके घर तक झालसा न्याय पहुंचाने में सफल रहा है, एक्सेस टू जस्टिस एट डोर स्टेप आज जो वास्तविक रूप से सफल हुआ है, यह ऑनरेबल लॉर्डशिप्स, यह आपके ब्लेसिंग्स, यह आपके गाइडेंस, यह आपके मॉनिटरिंग, यह आपके मेंटरिंग के चलते ही हो सका है। किसी को भी कोर्ट नहीं जाना पड़ा, किसी को भी सरकारी कार्यालय के चक्कर नहीं लगाने पड़े हैं, परंतु राज्य के कोने कोने से लाखों लोगों को आज उनका हक मिला है। इस महायज्ञ की सफलता के लिए माय लॉर्ड्स, मैं आपका कोटिशः करोड़ों बार धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। मैं इस कार्यक्रम में आभासी रूप से उपस्थित सभी अन्य महानुभाव जो देश के विभिन्न शहरों, नगरों, गांवों और सभी कस्बों से आभासी रूप से हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं, मैं सबों के प्रति तहे दिल से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। इस विधिक सशक्तिकरण शिविर में जिन्होंने अपना हक पाया, अपना अधिकार पाया, उनके प्रति भी अपना आभार और धन्यवाद प्रकट करता हूं। मैं झालसा के लीगल लिटरेसी क्लब के मेंबर और लीगल कैडेट्स का भी धन्यवाद करता हूं। इनमें से बहुत से आज झालसा के कार्यक्रम में, झालसा के मुख्यालय में उपस्थित थे और शेष आभासी रूप से उपस्थित हैं। मेरा रोम रोम आभार और कृतज्ञता से भरा हुआ है। मैं सृष्टि के कण कण को धन्यवाद देता हूं। जय हिंद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और अब हम सभी अपनी अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाएंगे राष्ट्रगान के लिए।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
और अब चीफ गेस्ट से इजाजत लेंगे आज के कार्यक्रम को संपन्न करने के लिए।
प्रणाम लॉर्ड।
Please proceed. Yes.
आपकी इजाजत से सर आज के इस कार्यक्रम को अब हम संपन्न करते हैं। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार, जोहार, जय हिंद।